Why am I alone? Sometimes I have this feeling that something is missing, something I can't quite explain. And I keep wondering, who am I? Why am I here? Do I really exist for something? Is there something in this life that is meant for me? There are so many questions, and those are only a few of them. Every morning when I wake up and make the same promise to myself, I do better today. I already know the things I want to do. I have plans in my head. I know the path I want to take. Somehow, the day ends. Then another one comes. Then another. Weeks pass. Months pass. And somehow I'm still standing in the same place. Still wondering what went wrong. I ask myself that question again and again. When I am alone, there are so many things running through my head. The things I want to do. The person I want to become. The path I believe I'm supposed to take. Yet somehow, I still haven't arrived. And then you start thinking about all the opportunities that came into your life. The ones you took. The ones you didn't. The moments when you could have tried. The moments when you could have been braver. You remember the work you've done before and wonder, what if I had done more? What if I had done better? What if I had chosen differently? Sometimes when I look back at my life, I see so many frustrations, so many regrets, so many versions of myself that I wish I could go back and change. Maybe I should have been kinder, more humble, patient, more loving. Maybe I should have listened more. Maybe I should have understood people better. But those moments are gone now. And no matter how many times I replay them in my head, I cannot bring them back. The past doesn't answer when we call it. It simply stays where it is, behind us. And maybe that's something I have to accept. Because I'm still here. I'm still struggling. I'm still trying to figure out this life. But there is one thing I can still be thankful for. I'm still alive. And somehow, that has become in a prison to keep going. I've reached a point where I realized that continuously hurting myself over the things I did wrong, over the decisions I made, over the person I used to be, is no longer necessary. I punished myself enough. Maybe I don't need to keep carrying a version of myself that no longer exists. Maybe it's time to put some of that weight down. It's time to step up because we're not getting any younger. And this time, I don't just want to do better. I want to give it my best. Not because I suddenly know exactly where I'm going. Not because everything has suddenly become easy. But because I finally understand something. I don't have to have my whole life figured out before I take the next step. Maybe I'm allowed to begin again. And maybe I'm allowed to make mistakes again. Maybe I'm even allowed to become someone different from the person everyone expected me to be. Because for me, this is still not the end. There are still pages left to write. There are still things I haven't seen. People I haven't met. Places I haven't been, and maybe there is still a version of me waiting somewhere ahead, a version I haven't met yet. So if you're standing where I am, wondering what went wrong, wondering if you've wasted too much time, wondering if it's already too late, maybe it isn't. Maybe we're just not finished yet. I don't know where this road will take me, but I'm still walking. And for now, that's enough. We can still make it right. We can still make it happen. It's not the end. Not yet. SL Momento. Masalamat and syukran.